has passed an order that scrutinizing of documents is going to take some time. So therefore, time is extended till the 21st from the 14th. While this order was passed, on the 15th itself, they stopped the uploading of the documents. I show you, Your Lordship. This is what is happening. They stopped the uploading of the documents.
Uploading of documents, what?
Those very documents which were allowed to be scrutinized, but Your Lordship said within 1 week, allow them to be uploaded. They stopped the uploading.
No, let us see which argument you are. Let us see your order, which part of the order are you talking?
Yes, at page 14.
Because every time very unfortunately.
No. I'm just showing Your Lordship's order at page 14 of the IA.
Let us see which order are you referring to.
54339.
No. Let us first see the order passed by us.
That I'm showing that it's quoted here, Malad. 9th February, it's quoted here. That's why I'm saying page 14.
February.
Yes, Malad. Page 14 of the IA.
9th February.
Your Lordship, yes, paragraph 19, Malad, which is
Paragraph 6 of
19 and para 6 of the order is quoted of 9th February.
Be that as it
You said, be that as it may, to streamline the ongoing SIR process and address some of the apprehensions expressed by various stakeholders, while reiterating our directions issued on 19.1, we deem it appropriate to issue the following additional directions. Since the process of scrutinizing the documents submitted by the affected persons in response to notices served on them is likely to take longer than anticipated, and as suggested on behalf of some of the petitioners, we
let the state government ensure that all 8,505 groups.
No.
paragraph 6, my lord.
6, page 14, the IA 54339.
Next page, page 7 of.
No. Let us read one by one, first of all. First, we would like to see what is the compliance on number 1. We don't want to rush into like this.
Yeah, fair enough.
What happened to this group of B officers?
Yes, I'll read it. 9th February, in continuation of the order. Your Lordship wants to see para 6 or should I read the whole order? Para 6 is at 29. Yes, read that as it may.
6.1 is the first direction. Let the state government ensure that.
6.1. Let the state government ensure that all 8,505 Group B officials whose lists are handed over to the court today report to the district electoral officers at 5 p.m. ECI shall have the discretion to replace the existing EROs and utilize the services of officers who have now been replaced on.
Now, just a minute. Did you find any eligible officer? Because last time we were questioning the eligibility part. Last time when we permitted replacement,
Yes.
questioning the eligibility.
Yes, that part
of-
has gone smooth.
Well, my lords have given us the liberty to replace officers. We have written to them, look, this is the requirement. We need officers of this nature, whatever the duties. And they have said in reply a couple of days ago, it is under consideration, you wait. May I pass on the letter that they have written, Millets? Everything depends at this stage on adjudication about the documents and the validity. And that is required to be done by the EROs. We are short of qualified EROs because every day they issue one GO saying that one, based on a pay parity, everyone should be treated as if on a par, like SDO, etc. Kindly have a look at it this minutes.
Yes. May I, read that?
Yes.
Kindly see the last one, Millets. The
The
third,
very first direction. we
the
are-
third one, Millets.
More than one?
My lords could see the third one. Regarding appointment of SDO, SDMs level officers as electoral registration officers and returning officers, and we have proposal received from CEO office. The state government is examining the matter of the list of eligible officers and will take up with the office of the CEO West Bengal shortly. That is the GO they've issued.
17 February.
Millets, now kindly see the GOs they have issued.
This letter is on 17th February.
Could my lords have a look at this minutes? After that communication, 18th February, they issue this notification.
I'll give a copy of this letter to Mr. Sibbal, who is for the state.
I don't have it, Malas.
We have passed on.
Mr. Sibbal, if this is the communication by the state is responding,
Yes.
despite our order of 9th February, on 17th you are saying that you are still.
It's Group B officers, Malas. We have given Group B officers,
No,
Malas.
where are the SDO level? Because that is the requirement. Last time also it was discussed. Where the officers of rank of subdivisional officers or SDMs
Yes.
given, if you have given in list 8,000, fine.
Yes,
If they are there, it is fine.
yes.
If you are not, if you had given, then you would have written that you have already given.
Yes,
Why?
yes.
Please read this clause 3.
Yes,
Regarding appointment of SDO, SDM level officer as ERO
yes,
and returning officers, and in view of the proposal received from CO office, the state government is examining the matter of the list of eligible officers. Eligible officers.
yes. But we've given Malad 8,500 individuals, 108, 12 employees who do not belong to
In that case, your reply should have been, we have already sent a list of 8,500. Please see, they are.
Group B, Malad, we've sent it earlier, Group B officers.
They
we've
know
sent,
pretty
Malad.
well they are not qualified.
Officers is not the qualification.
For micro observers, yes, Malad. For micro observers, yes.
In West Bengal, SDM is a group A officer.
No, it's for micro observers, Malad. Group B officers are allowed.
They are not observers, please. They are asking for this officer as ERO. We are not concerned about micro observers. We are only concerned about the RU state is not obligation to provide the officers in the rank of ERO.
Malad, you can answer that because I
have the.
yes, you can answer.
Yeah, take the letter.
Yes. Group B officials is what we
I mean, we are disappointed to see that this kind of, both, we were expecting the states will, the election
May I
commission
just
will cooperate.
explain? May I just on behalf of the state explain, please? May I just explain why in West Bengal?
No, why should
We
we have private explanation? The states should explain.
No, I'm representing the state. May I just explain?
See
Please
the
indulge
state,
me
Malad.
for 2 minutes. Please see, my lords. In West Bengal, I've made a very simple chart for your lordships. In West Bengal, please see the top page, my lords. Now, I'm just comparing it. I've chosen for comparison, say the state of Rajasthan. Every state has a different framework, my lords. Now, please see on the right.
Quite
West Bengal.
possible. Maybe your state civil services can have a different
My
composition.
lords, we only have 69 SDOs. Say, for instance, Rajasthan has 299. Now, why do we have 69 SDOs?
That
Please see
case,
the next
in
page.
that case, Dr. Menka, what
Yes.
you want the state to tell? Look here, I don't have officers to spare for this responsibility. You bring from wherever you
My
want.
lords, when Mr. Sibal says BDOs, please see what we mean by this. Because to become an SDO in the state of West Bengal,
Show us that
9 years, yes.
requirement is of a group A officer of
Please see
SDO and
the
SDM.
These are Group A officers.
Very
See the
simple.
next place. It
Please see.
answers your
You
question.
see from your angle. also.
My lord,
These officers are required to perform a kind of quasi-judicial responsibility.
yes.
Therefore, an experience, a partially judicially trained mind kind of thing
Exactly.
is required. You can't ask a clerk by promoting him, a poor fellow, in a particular grade that now you pass a speaking order. They are obligated under the law to pass speaking order, to decide the fate of the people,
Yes.
to reject or accept their document.
Yes.
It's all a judicial exercise.
So please see page 2. This explains why we have done this. Please see. Because your lordship sees, my lords, page 2. I've explained page 1, where the framework in West Bengal is 69 SDOs. Now, please see page 2, my lords. West Bengal, for instance, you are first posted as a BDO after 5 years of service. You become a district magistrate or a district
Dr.
collector.
Menka, we don't want to, you have a system
That's
in your
it.
state, you continue with that.
Yes, yes.
It's not that you must follow Rajasthan pattern or Rajasthan should follow your pattern. To the extent you want to, whatever way you want to have your state civil services, you continue with that. We are not on that. Issue is that if you do not have sufficient group A officers,
No, my lords.
My lords, my kindly similars, I have sent a circular at the notification by the government.
district magistrate, observational officer.
They are Group A officers, Malad.
Millets,
They are
this group A, group B,
Yes,
Right answer.
yes,
Posted as block development officer.
yes,
After 5 years,
yes.
you post him as district magistrate.
Deputy magistrate, deputy magistrate.
millets,
Deputy magistrate.
You are
80
saying district
No,
magistrate.
no,
What-
deputy magistrate.
After 2-3 years, then district magistrate, you post him as sub-divisional officer.
No. Deputy magistrate.
Your
Deputy
doc-
magistrate.
Your document.
My
we are
lords,
only-
It's a typo.
we have given the
Deputy
notification, my lords, my kindly see.
It's a deputy magistrate.
The
18th
officers
February.
provided-
The,
We can understand in some of the states, two things can always happen. One, you do not have sufficient officers available in a particular rank, which their statutory requirement.
Altogether.
Two, You have the officer, but you can't spare them. Might be that state itself.
No, my lords,
Group A
my lords, if you're, if,
You could simply tell them that you please bring your own officer.
no, no, my
Do
lords,
this.
may I just?
We will
We have
deploy
Group A
Millets.
officers which have been
ECI.
provided. We have Group A
Yes.
officers which have been
Millets.
provided, Manoj.
5, the ECI.
These are Group A officers.
We will deploy necessarily trained officers
Manoj,
from
this is wrong.
outside.
We-
We'll
kindly
complete the
ask-
process
I
without
provide-
any hitch.
Your lordship
We have
may-
done
Very
across India in every state, including
We will
Tamil
file
Nadu,
an
Kerala and all
affidavit
other
that we have
states.
supplied some Group.
There is never been a problem, Millets.
Mr. Naidu, is your officers have little knowledge of Bengali. And that is the problem
Millets.
which is occurring.
Now, Millets, my lords have given micro observers. My lords have given micro observers, 2 sets of micro observers. They could as well assist.
My lords, please,
They could as well assist, Millets.
please see.
Because
page
it's a
5,
question of-
ECI's
It's a
affidavit.
question of passing speaking orders.
We have provided.
And Millets, what they say every time, if
Now,
we
what-
press,
what-
they will say designated.
What is the bottleneck right now and what is the status of?
Millets, the
Because
bottleneck
it's
is,
quite a sensitive
Manoj,
time.
let me-
Because there's a huge problem that we have. which-
Only one aspect, if your lordship permits, my lord.
We hope that the both sides understand the sensitivity of the issue. SIR has started.
Yes.
If you don't complete the SIR,
We will.
we go for election.
We want 48 hours to complete it,
No, just
Manoj.
see, Manoj, may I just mention one thing? Micro observer.
Don't go for elections, what will be the next consequence?
No, Manoj, let us not go there. No, nobody wants to change. Manoj, may I just state the point? Your lordships acknowledged the primacy of the electoral registration officer in the last order. And Naidu very fairly said that as far as micro observers are concerned, those can't override or trump the electoral registration officer or the ERO. So that we thought was settled.
Correct view.
Now, just let me state the point. The point is that after your lordship's order, they have come up with a new species of officers called the special role observers. And those special role observers, even after the EROs are clearing the files, so these are files of people who are mapped. Once they are mapped, the expression which is used is that they review the files and they are parked. Parked means they are retained. Now what they've done is, they've got a new species called the special role observers. They've given login numbers to those special role observers and they override the electoral roll officer. So we have put in so that micro observer now is all right because they made a concession.
Do their exercise.
Yes.
That
Now,
concession
instead
after
of
hire.
quasi judicial final statutorily recognized officer doing his job, after he does his job, after he clears it, they are now reviewing it and sending it back to him in lakhs. In lakhs, 7 lakhs, they are sending it back to him. So what is he supposed to do?
Mr. Diwan, the things are very easy. They are taking, let us say, help of not one, multiple persons in identifying the.
Not after the ERO is cleared.
No. If the ERO and ERO has passed an order.
Yes.
Those will be separate matters.
Yes.
But the question is that if the ERO has passed an order and they have some doubt about a document.
Yes.
And they are asking him to look into that document.
Yeah.
What is the problem?
No, so can I just tell your lordships, after the ERO is the final call, my lords, under the statutory scheme, he makes the final call. So the micro observer was kept aside.
ERO can always say, look here, I have seen this document also.
Yes.
This document is either genuine or fabric or unreliable.
What is done? That is what is done. Now that exercise is complete. Now what happens after that exercise is complete? They have given this, they have created a new cadre after your lordship's last order of 9th of February called special role observers. And we have put it, we have just hand it over.
Maybe
We have
my friend has
placed
been
on
wrongly
record,
briefed, Millets, it's
they have
not
given
correct.
login numbers to
They've
these
been there from
individuals.
day one.
Just please
Please
have
show
a
the
look
source.
as to no, give the IA.
That's completely wrong.
Give the IA. We have filed the IA. We have already filed the IA electronically. Just hand it over. Just have a look as to what's happening.
That whatever you are saying, they are saying that they are from the very beginning they are there.
Sorry?
They are saying that they are right from the very inception they are there.
Yes.
But the special role officer cannot trump the ERO once it's parked. The expression.
It's
which is
never
used,
been said, Millets,
once
that they
they
trumped
finally
them.
Review it, they've parked. it.
Millets,
Now just see
there
three paragraphs of this particular application.
there are 30
Just have a look at
EROs.
3 paragraphs. Please just go directly. Your lordship will follow the point over here immediately.
To create a situation where we have to ask the judicial officer now to intervene. I mean, kind of.
No, but how can they
We should have any-
How can you, on a wholesale basis, reject what the electoral registration officer or the ERO has done? Go directly to page 6, please. Please go directly to page 6. Now, first in para 10 at page, sorry.
Keep these three. I don't know. They don't know.
Trust deficit.
Yeah, there is a
Two
trust.
constitutional functionaries, the state and the election commission. of
Yes,
India.
yes.
And subject to what you will argue, we are only left with very limited option. Either we will involve the state judiciary, will request the Chief Justice of the High Court to nominate some serving officers and to pick up some retired judicial officers of impeccable integrity. They will do, and both sides will assist them. Or the only alternative is to tell them to bring IS officers from other cadres who don't have local
May I
interest.
just make a suggestion? May I make a suggestion? Just